Yeah. कसे तोंड का बनवून राहिली बे.
हेलो गाइस,
गिम्बल पे इतना डल क्यों है तेरा. हैप्पी न्यू ईयर.
हैप्पी न्यू ईयर.
Okay, so
Happy New Year, guys! Welcome back to our channel. My name is Rasika.
my name is Kaustubh.
And together we are 2.5 Maharashtrians. My name is Rasika.
And my name is Kaustubh.
And together we are
2.5 Maharashtrians.
Welcome back to our channel.
तू अशी काय बोलते. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. अशा सूर लावून.
Welcome back to our channel.
सूर का लाव. सूर.
Because Sur is necessary.
Anyway, welcome back to our channel. And today we are going to Colindales.
Today is the 3rd,
2nd of
2nd
January.
of Jan, and I'm gonna keep track of all the dates throughout the year.
For what?
And as you can see, I'm on a great start.
Don't talk about dates because you are fantastic at them.
That is exactly why that's my resolution, to keep track of dates.
Why we are going to our friend's place?
We didn't tell them that we are going to a friend's.
Hey, I told them. And today we are going to Colindales.
You did?
Yeah, we are going to Colindales at our friend's place.
Okay.
We'll tell them again, don't worry.
But we are going to our friend's place. They invited us over. So we're gonna go and chill and have fun.
Rin is not with us today because Rin doesn't like tubes. Makes a lot of noise, so we avoid taking him on tubes. DLR is fine.
Yeah, tube is not. It makes too much noise and he doesn't like it. He gets very uncomfortable riding on tubes.
We get uncomfortable.
Yeah.
Imagine the dog.
Yeah, my ears get blocked every time.
Let me tell you the way. So the way is, as usual, we go to Langdon Park, we go to Canary Wharf and get out at Stabby Station. It's not the
If you don't know
name.
the story of the Stabby Station, please let me tell you the
like
story. Okay, so the name of the station, like the name of the actual station is called West India Quay. But a couple of months back, there was an incident that a guy was stabbed on that station, like in broad daylight, and he was stabbed.
It's not a regular occurrence.
Yeah, it's not a regular occurrence. But he was stabbed. He didn't die apparently. But those guys took everything that he had. Basically, the reason why we call it Stabby Station, because some person was stabbed, and that's like the easiest way to remember that station. So now it's Stabby Station instead of West India Quay.
To West India Quay, and from there we take DLR to Bank, and from Bank we take Northern Line to Edgware, Edgware, and from there to Colindale.
I remember in class 7th, I was in a tuition class, and there was this word that I never knew back then, and I called it Edge. But it was edge. I was in 7th class, okay? I never saw that word, but it's edge. But I called it edge for some.
Oh no!
That's
my brain. It's broken.
But yeah, that happened, guys. That happened.
No. I never say such stupid word.
You just said it. Edgeware ko you were going to say Edgeware. So please, don't. Okay. Anyway, we are going there. We are going to Colindale. I don't even know how to spell Colindale.
Collindale.
Because he just saw it.
No.
But
it's Colindale.
Could have been C-A-U-L. Could have started from there.
No. T-O. Colin. Spray.
That's Colin. This is Colindale.
It can be C-A also, Colin.
But anyway, we're going to Colindale, which is spelled like this. And we'll see you when we reach and meet our friends.
Enjoy the train journey.
I'm not showing you the train journey today.
Please enjoy the train journey.
No.
Please enjoy.
Nope.
One train journey.
Nope.
Okay.
But, okay, people who... If you like train journeys, if you like the train B-roll, then please comment down below. And if you don't, then please comment down below that as well. Comment, yes, we love the train journey, and no, we do not like it. But yeah, see you there.
Like Master Ugwe said.
What?
It's the journey that's important.
It's not about the destination, but the journey.
Kung Fu Panda. Bye.
Bye.
Hey, bye ka manat hai. We'll see you there.
Break
Colindale. I don't know if you can hear us or not, but it's raining and it's also very windy, but we are here.
And looking at the place, we want to move here.
Yeah, but yeah, we'll see you when we reach the place, okay?
Yeah.
Bye. And the houses are so small and so pretty. And so independent. Yes. Why is it so windy?
Hi. This is Colindale area. Like this is the new area. यहाँ पे ये सब buildings है ना, सब अभी construction है. In fact, और ये ज़्यादा tube से दूर भी नहीं है.
Everything's alright when I spend.
Now we do something fancy.
ये what?
ये तो वाला lift है.
कौन सा वाला? Positive?
No. So this lift is basically for if you want to move any stuff.
So why is there this?
ये mirror को नहीं लगेगा.
कोई
damage नहीं होगा.
पटला
तो लोग बाइक रखते हैं घर पे. साइकिल रखते हैं तो लेके जाते हैं.
ये पहली बार देखा मैंने ऐसा.
ये लिफ्ट तो दुबई में मैंने हर जगह देखा. मतलब दो लिफ्ट होते हैं. ये नॉर्मल और
Are you sure? All this is new construction and this area is called Colindale. Okay, I'm not sure. Whatever is on the screen, it's called that.
Spending my money with you. Let's just ignore the news.
ये भी सही है. कैमरा
Your skills are on the video, by the way.
Good job, Pratik.
Thank you.
So Pratik is making parathas for us.
It's not that spicy.
वो दिख रहा है. Okay, we are going back home.
And we had dinner at the place.
We had dinner. We talked a lot. The phone.
Yeah, so we had a lot of fun at their place, as you saw. So we are on our way back.
It's 9:15 and it will take around 1 hour to reach home.
As you can see, we're the only ones on the train, and we have to go until Bank and then train our stations.
Yeah? We have to go change our station and change our train.
We have to change. We have to change our train at Bank, and we're the only one in the entire station.
Entire train.
Entire boogie.
Train.
No, entire. Okay, we're the only ones on the entire train. We're literally the only people on the train. It can't be. Are you sure?
Probably because I
The
can't.
next station is Brent Cross.
Guys, we're the only people on the train. We're at Brent Cross right now. We're the only people on the train.
Northern Line train.
We will update if we reach safely back to our place.
Hey, 9 number band.
Hi guys, as you can tell that we were safely back home and we forgot to shoot the outro, but here's the outro.
What? Hey, don't block my face.
Oh, sorry. Thanks for watching the video. Bye.
Spending my money with you.